Tire problems are one of the most common issues car owners face, especially when you're on the road. Having a reliable tire repair kit can save you a lot of trouble and time, whether it's a small puncture or a bigger issue. In today's video, we'll review the best tire repair kits that will ensure you're ready for any roadside emergency. From compact kits to more advanced solutions, we have you covered with 5 of the best tire repair kits available today. Let's dive in and take a closer look. Kicking off our list at number 1, Tourit TIREKIT. The Tourit TIREKIT is a well-rounded, compact tire repair kit designed to tackle a wide variety of common tire problems. Whether you're dealing with punctures or leaks, this kit offers all the essential tools you need to get back on the road in no time. With its durable construction and easy-to-use components, it's a great option for everyday drivers, off-road enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a reliable tire repair kit for emergencies. Key features: the Tourit TIREKIT comes with a comprehensive set of tools, including a T-handle reamer, plug insertion tool, tire plugs, and a valve core remover. The kit also includes a high-quality tire sealant and a robust storage case to keep everything organized and easily accessible. It's designed to work with most passenger car tires and offers great value for its price. The compact size of the kit makes it easy to store in your car without taking up too much space, and it's also lightweight, making it ideal for keeping in your glove compartment or trunk. Benefits and usage: the Tourit TIREKIT is designed for quick and easy repairs, allowing you to fix punctures and leaks without the need for a professional mechanic. The tools are easy to use, even for beginners, and the kit is versatile enough to handle various tire issues. Whether you're driving a car, SUV, or light truck, this kit can help you fix your tire in minutes, saving you time and money. The tire sealant included in the kit is great for temporary repairs, and the plugs provide a more permanent solution for small punctures. Usability: this tire repair kit is incredibly user-friendly, even for those who have never repaired a tire before. The tools are designed to be intuitive and simple to use. The T-handle reamer and plug insertion tool make the process of patching up your tire straightforward. You won't need any professional experience to fix your tire, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned drivers alike. The kit also comes with a detailed instruction manual, so you can feel confident in your ability to perform a quick repair when you need it most. Durability: the Tourit TIREKIT is built to last, with high-quality materials used in all its components. The reamer and plug insertion tool are made of durable steel, ensuring they can withstand repeated use. The tire plugs are made of tough rubber, providing a strong seal to prevent air leaks. The included valve core remover is also constructed with long-lasting materials, so it won't break or wear down after a few uses. Overall, this kit is designed to be a long-term solution for your tire repair needs. In the second spot, we have RAV4 TIREKIT. The RAV4 TIREKIT kit is a versatile tire repair solution that's perfect for both DIY car enthusiasts and those who are new to tire repairs. With its combination of essential tools and compact design, this kit ensures you're prepared for tire emergencies, whether you're at home or on the road. It's a highly rated option due to its reliability and ease of use, making it one of the go-to choices for drivers looking to keep their tires in top condition. Key features: the RAV4 TIREKIT kit includes a T-handle reamer, plug insertion tool, heavy-duty tire plugs, and an easy-to-carry storage case. Additionally, it features a portable air compressor that can quickly inflate your tire after a repair, helping you get back on the road faster. The kit also includes safety goggles and gloves, ensuring that you can perform tire repairs safely and with minimal mess. The tools are designed to work with a variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs, making it a versatile choice for all drivers. Benefits and usage: the RAV4 TIREKIT kit is designed to make tire repairs easier and faster. Whether you have a small puncture or a more significant leak, the tools included in this kit will help you fix your tire quickly and get back to driving. The included air compressor is especially useful for quickly inflating the tire after you've patched it, saving you the hassle of searching for a gas station air pump. This feature makes it especially beneficial for those who travel long distances or frequently drive in remote areas where finding air pumps can be challenging. Usability: this kit is designed for both novice and experienced users. The step-by-step instructions provided make it easy for anyone to use the tools to repair their tires effectively. Even if you've never used a tire repair kit before, you'll find the RAV4 T-Repair simple and intuitive. The air compressor is user-friendly and operates with the push of a button, ensuring that tire inflation is just as easy as the repair itself. The inclusion of gloves and goggles adds an extra layer of convenience and safety, ensuring that your hands stay clean during the repair process. Durability. The RAV4 T-Repair kit is built to last. The reamer and plug insertion tool are made of heavy-duty steel, while the tire plugs are designed to withstand the pressure of the road. The portable air compressor is compact yet powerful, capable of handling multiple repairs without breaking down. The kit storage case is sturdy and designed to protect the tools inside from damage, so you can rely on it for many years of use. With proper care, this kit will last through multiple tire repairs without any issues. Coming in at number 3 is the VIAIR 00073. The VIAIR 00073 tire repair kit is a premium option designed for drivers who require reliable and high-performance tools. Featuring a powerful compressor, this kit offers more than just basic tire repair. It provides an entire tire maintenance solution. The VIAIR 00073 is particularly suitable for those who frequently find themselves in off-road or rugged environments where tire repairs need to be quick and reliable. Key features. This kit features a heavy-duty 12-volt air compressor, which is capable of quickly inflating tires in emergencies. It comes with a deluxe carry bag, making it easy to store and transport. The kit also includes a tire repair tool set, featuring reamers, plugs, and a plug insertion tool. The compressor is capable of providing up to 100 psi, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks. It's designed to be portable and powerful, ensuring that you can rely on it in any situation. Benefits and usage. The VIAIR 00073 offers more than just a basic tire repair kit. The powerful compressor allows you to not only repair your tire, but also inflate it quickly and efficiently. This makes it a complete solution for tire emergencies, especially in off-road scenarios where finding a nearby air pump may be impossible. The compressor's high PSI rating ensures it can handle larger tires as well, providing versatility for all types of vehicles. This kit is perfect for travelers, off-roaders, and anyone who needs a reliable tire repair and inflation solution. Usability. The VIAIR 00073 is easy to use, even for those who have little to no experience with tire repairs. The air compressor is simple to operate, and the included tools are designed to make repairs fast and straightforward. The step-by-step instructions guide you through the process, from identifying the puncture to completing the repair and inflating the tire. The carry bag makes it easy to store and transport the kit, ensuring that you're always prepared for a tire emergency. Durability. The VIAIR 00073 is built with durability in mind. The compressor is made from high-quality materials, designed to withstand frequent use. The tools included in the kit are made from heavy-duty steel, ensuring that they remain functional over time. The kit's components are designed to handle tough conditions, making it perfect for off-road enthusiasts and those who drive in challenging environments. With its rugged construction, this kit is a long-term investment in tire repair and maintenance. Taking our fourth spot is JACO 30-0202. The JACO 30-0202 tire repair kit is a complete, high-quality solution for fixing punctures in your tires. Known for its robust tools and ease of use, this kit is suitable for both car owners and road trip enthusiasts. With everything you need to handle a tire emergency, the JACO 30-0202 stands out for its reliability and comprehensive set of tools. Key features. The JACO 30-0202 kit includes a T-handle reamer, plug insertion tool, and a selection of tire plugs. It also comes with a high-performance portable air compressor that can easily inflate your tire after the repair. The kit's tools are made from durable steel, ensuring they can handle multiple uses. Additionally, the kit comes in a compact, organized storage case that makes it easy to carry and store in your vehicle. Benefits and usage. The JACO 30-0202 is an all-in-one solution for tire repairs. Whether you're at home or on the go, This kit gives you the tools needed to repair a flat tire quickly and safely. The included air compressor allows you to inflate your tire once it's repaired, ensuring you don't have to worry about finding an air pump nearby. The compact design of the kit makes it easy to store in your car, ensuring that you're always prepared for a tire emergency. Usability. The JACO 30-0202 is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. The tools are simple to use, and the step-by-step instructions provide clear guidance on how to fix a flat tire. The air compressor is easy to operate, and the overall process of repairing and inflating the tire is straightforward. The compact storage case ensures that all the tools are organized and easily accessible, so you can get to work as soon as you need to. Durability. The JACO 30-0202 is made from durable materials, ensuring it can withstand frequent use. The steel tools are built to last, and the portable air compressor is designed for long-term reliability. The kit storage case is strong enough to protect the contents from wear and tear, making this a durable and long-lasting option for tire repairs. This kit will serve you well for many years, even with regular use. Finally, at number 5, we have Kensun K-TK-02. 2025, the Kensun K-TK-02 is a highly efficient tire repair kit designed for people who value both convenience and quality. With a variety of features that cater to both tire repair and inflation needs, this kit is an excellent choice for drivers who need a reliable, all-in-one solution for emergency tire repairs. Key features. The Kensun K-TK-02 kit includes a tire inflator, plug repair tools, tire plugs, and a durable carry case. The inflator can be powered by both AC and DC sources, making it incredibly versatile for use at home or in your vehicle. It also includes a range of tire plugs for different types of punctures, and the kit comes with detailed instructions to guide you through the repair process. Benefits and usage. The Kensun K-TK-02 kit offers all the tools you need for tire repair and inflation in one convenient package. The inflator is versatile, able to run on either AC or DC power, which means you can use it at home or in your vehicle. The kit's compact size makes it easy to store in your car, so you'll always have it on hand in case of a flat tire. Whether you're dealing with a small puncture or a more significant leak, this kit can help you fix your tire and get back on the road quickly. Usability. The Kensun K-TK-02 is extremely user-friendly. The tire inflator is easy to operate, and the plug repair tools are designed for quick and hassle-free use. The kit comes with clear instructions that walk you through each step of the repair process, making it ideal for beginners and those who are new to tire repairs. The inflator is easy to connect to your tire and will quickly inflate it to the proper pressure. Durability. The Kensun K-TK-02 is built to last. The tire inflator is made from high-quality materials, ensuring that it can withstand regular use. The plug repair tools are also made from durable materials, so they can handle multiple repairs without breaking. The included carry case is designed to protect the kit's components from damage, so it remains in excellent condition for years of use. Having a reliable tire repair kit in your car can be a lifesaver during emergencies. Whether you choose the Tourit TIREKIT, the RAV4 Tier Repair, the VIAIR 00073, the JACO 30-0202, or the Kensun K-TK-02, each of these kits offers great value, ease of use, and durability. With the right kit, you can quickly repair your tire and get back on the road. Make sure to choose one that fits your needs and driving habits. Stay prepared and keep your car in top shape with one of these best tire repair kits.